Oj, 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 det är så skönt här. Hej Loke. All right, good morning. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, good. CCXI is kind of crazy. Up 300% in pre-market. I have no idea if this is gonna go to 50 or if it's gonna go to 25. I will not buy this thing, but I may short it. This is just absolutely insane. And this is what happens when the market gets hot, and in this case the biotechs are very, very strong. They keep going higher. You know, if this data had come out 3 weeks ago, I don't think the stock would be up even 50%. Now apparently they did have really good data, so I do think they would have been up, but this is what happens when the market gets hot. Start to see these crazy moves. Momo reported earnings, kind of slow, but I do like the chart. And China overall still hasn't broken out. They're still inside of this triangle, and Momo is one of the stronger China names. I think China will break out eventually. And this Momo looks like one of the stronger ones. Baba is obviously the strongest one. Other than that, GBT, maybe if it can go up today, tomorrow, you know, if it closes strong today, maybe tomorrow there could be a short setup here. SRNE, this thing was up almost 100% yesterday. Now it's gapping down in pre-market, so there's nothing here for me now. CLVS, if it goes like 12-13 bucks, that would be interesting. Or maybe if it goes to 11 and then starts topping out at 11, maybe it could have a pullback. I don't know. We'll see. Nothing I'm gonna trade out of the gate. ARWR, I'm thinking mid 60s would be nice. Labu 55 plus would be nice. AXSM 40 plus would be nice. ICPT 105 would be nice. LK 34 would be nice. And Splunk 155 would be nice. So we'll see which ones reach the targets. Beely's, another China stock, had good earnings, or actually they had good revenue growth. They reported last week they had really good revenue growth, and it's accelerating over the past few quarters, so that's nice to see. And they're flagging, so I'm stocking this one. Couple of shippers, DHD, EURN. Like if the Russell keeps going, all of these stocks are gonna have big moves. So Rida is setting up. If it can go sideways a couple of more days, this could be a trade where you can risk $5 to make 50. CHK is gapping up a little bit pre-market. I'm probably not gonna trade it. MTMB stopped me out yesterday. But it's still kind of holding these higher lows, so we'll see. Are you long what is it? Peloton? No, I'm not long Peloton. But it looks a little similar to LK. No, unfortunately, I'm not long it. I wish I was long it. MNK is nearing new highs. Plug was a really good buy yesterday. I felt like I chased it a bit, and then it just went straight up. LK, I'm a little bit conflicted. There is a short-term short setup developing here. I think this thing could have a $1.50, $2 up down day, especially if it can hit like 34 today. It could easily have a $1.50, $2 reversal. But I do think it's gonna go higher over the mid and long term. Like, I think this thing wants to go to 50. And I'm still long 10,000 shares, so I'm thinking about potentially shorting it in the other account where I'm not long for a short-term short trade, and then keep my long shares. JC Penny, I bought 100,000 shares yesterday near the close. It's trying to come out of this base with the rising lows. Been building higher lows for 2 months, and now it's tried to come out of this with a little bit higher volume. And this is, I think I'm risking like 6 cents to potentially make 60 cents. That's how I view this trade, 60 plus cents even. TDOC hit new highs yesterday. Let's see here. I'll probably size down a little bit. It keeps going. DXCM also should sell some into strength. 230 maybe. And KRTX I re-shorted yesterday and covered some into the close. I held 3,500 shares. I had 5,000 shares, but I held 3,500 over the overnight. So we'll see. I think this thing could easily have another $10 of downside. But right now it looks like it's gapping up a little bit pre-market. GBT. Yeah, there's a short setup developing here. I think, again, as I said earlier, I think if this thing can close strong, then further strength tomorrow, there could be a short-term short trade there, maybe a day trade short. But there's so many other biotech stocks too that look good on the short side. Probably not today, but potentially for tomorrow. A lot of setups are developing. So it will be interesting. I think tomorrow will potentially be a very, very busy day. Or later today also. It's not really anything I'm super excited about at a gate. Now Momo looks like it's gapping down a bit. CCXI. Let's see how this plays out. Oh, LK, big follow through. Great to see. Unfortunately, I sold 1,500 shares just before this pop. So that was a little bit bad timing. Should have waited 30 seconds. Okay, I just shorted some CCXI. Oh, ARWR is having nice follow through. Okay, CCXI so far, it took out the opening range lows marginally, but so far it's still kind of strong. Oh, KRTX keeps going lower. It's good to see. BE strong. CCXI is holding below VWAP for now. Looks like it. I will add to this CCXI. Oh, GBT, oh, it's fading. Couldn't hold up, too bad. Too bad. What's Labo doing? Oh, biotechs overall are fading a little bit. Too bad. I was hoping for more strength. I'm gonna lower my stop on KRTX. What? CCXI just fucked me. It stopped me out. What the fuck? What the hell is this all about? Oh my god. I just took a $14,000 loss on it. And then it slammed back down. My god. Gotta love volatile stocks. Gotta love volatile stocks. That sucked. Yeah. that was intense. That was intense. ARWR is setting up in a nice way. KRTX, there's no support until like 72 bucks, so it still has a lot of downside. Oh, okay, LK is starting to fade a little bit. I missed the short entry. I'm still long, but I only have a third of my initial shares on LK now. I sold a little bit pre-market and a little bit after the close. Sorry, after the open, not the close. Whoa, no. 5,000, no, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. CCXI, this thing has potentially a lot of downside. This thing could easily fade back 25 today. Right now it is holding below VWAP, unless it's gonna go stop hunting again. But I did re-short. I only have half of what I had before, but or less even. We'll see. It does have a range here, 34/3360-ish. We'll see about that. Oh, nice. Okay, I mean, 10,000 shares of this thing. I hope it doesn't do like a $2 candle on the upside. That would not be good. What would the ideal scenario for an ad on CCXI? I did here in the high 30s. It does have a little bit of range there, but this thing could easily pop back to 35, which is the VWAP. So that's what I'm kind of counting on. Like, I'm taking on some risk on this stock because I think the potential is big. I'm fully willing to risk 30 to 50,000 on this thing, and I'll keep adding if I see good setups. But right now, if it would stop me out right now, I would probably take a $25,000 loss, or more, $30,000 loss. But it could also potentially be a $100,000 trade. So we'll see. I am taking on some risk on it. Alright, so this SRNE is weak, very weak. ARWR, I don't know, it doesn't feel right. Today it doesn't feel like the day. Or am I wrong? I don't know. LK is having followed to the downside. Fuck, I missed it. I missed the short setup. But I'm still long. I'm still a third long. So CCXI, it's probably gonna try to bounce here, and we'll see how it holds at VWAP. If it get rejected there or if it's gonna reclaim. JCPenney is going higher. Plug is strong. OLED is shaping up. QD is shaking off its morning weakness. TDOC is strong. LK is weak. MNK is weak. This one is kind of unchanged. IPHI is unchanged. BABA is strong. DXM is strong. Facebook is unchanged. Apps is kind of weak. TY is kind of unchanged. STND is a little bit weak right now. BLDP unchanged. ENDP is weak. KRTX is weak also, but this weakness is good since I'm short. CHK is definitely perking higher, but I'll pass on it. And fuel cell is still flagging, you know, it's kind of building higher lows now. So far. And looks good on the daily chart. Does have room. You know, the 200 day is 100% higher. So that would be the first resistance for this thing if it starts perking higher. Okay, CCXI, it bounced back to VWAP and got rejected so far. I think if it starts violating this 3350 area, I will add to this thing. So far, so good. ICPT is weak. I'm taking it off my short watch list. Or, no, I don't know. Wow, this thing is a beast. Alright, let's see how it acts. You know, what I'm afraid of is it's gonna just shop around between this 34 and 36 for the rest of the day and just cut me to death. Volume so far is very, very good. It already traded half the float. KRTX. I probably should lock some in here. I lock in a little bit. I locked in a little bit here. Looking more at 75. And 72, I'm looking more. Okay, so some buy orders in. So now I'm nearing 300,000 in overall profits on this KRTX again. I locked in about 250k a couple of days ago, and now after being up close to 300k, and now I'm nearing 300k again. So this has been one of the most profitable stocks in my life. Probably in the top 10. I don't know, I mean, it kind of looks like it's building higher lows here. If you look at this thing, it's building higher lows. So I don't know. I don't know what to do here. Okay, I'm gonna lower my stop even more. Like, it shouldn't take out yesterday's highs, which are 83.08, so I'm gonna move my stop to 83-ish. Alright, CCXI showing some weakness again. I'm thinking, will I add near the lows of the day or will I not add? I'm a little bit tempted to add. So ARWR, this could be shortable here in the low mid 62.20s with a $1.50 stop for a potential, I don't know, $5-8 fade. No, I don't know. Would be better if it goes higher and closes strong and then we get a setup tomorrow. AXS, and this thing has no volume. Taking it off my list. Wow, GBT, what a fade! Holy crap! Oh my god! That's what happens when already extended stock has irrelevant news, or pretty much irrelevant news. What the hell did I just do? Oh, okay. No, wait. Oh, okay. Oh, ARWR, perfect. Very good. Let's do another scan here. Software stocks are still strong. Many of them are going higher. Small caps having followed through from yesterday. KRTX is down 50% from its highs. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So I'm short 15,000 shares now. I mean, realistically, I don't know. $5-7 of downside over the next couple of days. Why not? Why not? If I just look at this chart without looking at the pre-market or anything, you know, it looks like a bear flag after a big gap up, and you know, there's, you know, no support for a while. Okay, it broke the higher lows pattern so far. It broke below it. Let's see if it can reclaim or if it's gonna go lower. If it's gonna go lower. Maybe hours, I wish. Heck, I wish CCXI goes to sub 30 over the next few hours. That would be epic. That would be pretty good. That would be pretty damn good. Okay, I'm gonna start covering some So let's see, 10, 20, 600, 500, 3. Okay. So far so good. Wow, ARWR keeps going. KRTX is close to filling some of my buy orders. Is anyone still short KRTX with me? Like you can clearly see on the 60-minute chart, which also was my thesis for the reshort. Where can I change this layout? Why do these look different? Less. Oh, less. Yeah, that's what I. So you can clearly see here, lower highs. I thought it was gonna bounce a little bit more, and then you have this range break. This is why I shorted late day yesterday. Yeah, what the fuck? This is exactly what I saw, and it's exactly what happened here. Lower highs, range break, another range break, another range break, and I shorted at all of these range breaks. I've just been milking this thing on the downside. You're long, you're short 150 shares from 34.45. Wait, what? From 34? Why are you short from 34? Or are you talking about CCXI? Oh, you're talking about CCXI. Okay. 34.45? Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Okay. After it failed the VWAP. Okay. Oh, CCXI, look at this. Holy shit. Looks great. No support until like 29 bucks. All right. Now I'm green on the trade. Now I'm up 10,000. I was down 15,000 previously on this on this candle. Holy shit. What the hell was this candle all about? Like what the fuck? $2 candle out of nowhere. Oh well. But it did put in a lower high. You can just see it clearly here. Wow, there's a lot of lines on this chart now. Wow, it's not up 300% anymore. It's only up 299.5%. Yeah, I think it may hit sub 30 within hours. JCPenney having some nice follow through. Shopify. This is a lagger. Even though it may look, I don't know, has a big range. It's definitely a big lagger. This one. PE. Okay, that's a good thing. I'm thinking I'm gonna cancel my stops on CCXI. It kind of feels like it may not get there. I'm gonna cancel this one. I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna keep this one because that's where the recent high is. Oh yeah. Oh, World of Warcraft, I got disconnected. Okay, ACST is definitely showing some weakness here. I'm taking it off my long watch list. Meanwhile, MTMB is holding up nicely. It's still flagging here. Actually had some okay volume yesterday. Over 3 million shares. Okay, BE kind of failed here. LK could take another leg down to mid 30s. Yeah, I read it somewhere too that they have an offering ready. You know, it would be kind of stupid not to use an offering into a 300% move. But yeah, it all depends on what pricing they get. KRTX actually got some pretty decent pricing. They got 96 per share. But it didn't help them, you know. Stock is already 20% below that. Let's clean some back watch lists meanwhile. Let's see here. 21st of October. No, October? Let's see, where is it? Here. SGen had some pretty good follow through from their data a month ago. Up over 20%. Rida. Oh no, this wasn't the 21st. Never mind. Yeah. INMD more than doubled from this little buy area. This is what I saw on the breakout day. Why can't I just single out that one day? Come on. This is what I saw. Higher lows and a range break and above average volume. Unfortunately, I didn't buy it. Too bad. Wow, Brazil is taking another leg lower. They have some problems. Holy shit. Yeah, a lot of Brazil related stocks are down and going lower. Man, those South American countries just... How can they be so bad? LK taking another leg down. They have support in the mid 30s. Oh, this one I did now. Gold and silver are still weak. KL had a major breakdown from its uptrend. You know, this thing has been trending higher for a couple of years now. Like 3 years, it's up 1800%. It was up 1800%, and now it looks like it has topped out. Had big earnings. I don't know if they discovered a mine or what happened to this stock, but they had some good times. It's actually a mid-cap name. Interesting. But a lot of gold, individual gold stocks are kind of holding up. Gold and silver names like this HMY. Okay, this doesn't look that great, but WPM is looking good, and it's building higher lows for now. AUY looks good, has a nice little range here. AM, yeah, not. I mean, they're holding up better than gold and silver themselves. That's what's interesting. I like this Billy a lot. Really like it. Tal is flagging since the earnings. Nasdaq is at new highs. STNE, this is a Brazil stock, and I guess it's down because Brazil is so weak. And I see PAX is down quite a bit too. INSG is back near highs again. This is a 5G stock. It's been pumped a lot on social media and whatnot. Like it's a micro cap name, or it's a small cap name. Could make a big move, potentially, eventually. Oh, Momo is really weak after earnings. ISCE, no volume. I went from trading 27 million shares to trading a few 100,000 shares in a few weeks. All right, enough for now. CC, oh, nice. CCXI, wow. It hit 30 bucks. 30.00. This IFRX is not going away. It's building higher lows intraday and yeah, it is down like 90%. Scap is like 90%. And in this biotech market, you know, I don't know. Too bad I wasn't watching it closely because the buy area was in this very low threes. I think right now is a little bit too high. But it could go higher. It could. Why can't this thing go to like $5 or something? Maybe if it sets up later in the day, I'll be interested in it. F-cell is, yeah, it's kind of weak now. Okay, oh, KRTX. Nice. Gonna lock in a few more. I think I'm gonna hold it overnight again. Because, you know, if it loses this low 70s, why can't it go to 60? There's obviously no volume anymore, but I'll just keep the shares I have. Not bad at all. Oh no, I didn't get filled on 30. I had a stop. I had a buy order at 30 bucks, but I didn't get filled on it. That's too bad. Beyond Meat is trying to reclaim this rising 20-day, declining 20-day. I'll put it back on my watch list. Maybe this thing can have a little bit of a rally. If I can find a setup where I can risk like $1, $1.50, I mean, this thing could easily pop 10, 15 bucks, 20 bucks. ARWR held its rising VWAP. Splunk is going higher. Man, if this thing can go to like 155 today, and oh man, it could be nice. Could be a nice setup developing there. LK keeps fading. Too bad I missed this one. It was kind of fast too. Very fast.
If you have giant hands like me and you cancel your stealth all the time with evasion, you can prevent it using this macro. It will only let you use the ability.
All right, let's do a scan. A lot of things just running away from their bases. There's not that many stocks that look buyable here, except for some China names. CCXI is just hanging out near the lows. They couldn't even bounce. What? Server is full. Login server is full. What the fuck? Never seen that before. Huh. Interesting. Plug. Did I sell any plug yesterday? I don't think I did. Nope, I did not. I have 50,000 shares still, and I'm up 10% on them. Yeah, I'm up 10%. Okay, I'm gonna sell a few. I think this thing could double, but I will sell a few. QD. I'm gonna put another stop here. If it closes below this, area, I will size down on it. Oh, by the way, MNK had a big breakout day yesterday from this little pattern with higher lows and range. I did not add to it, but I did raise my stop a little bit. Alright, do you guys have any questions? I'm gonna cut the stream soon. Because things are really slowing down and I don't really see much more to do today. Shopify is trying to break out of this little range here, but this is a big laggard. I don't think it's gonna have a lot of follow through. I really don't. Looks decent on the weekly chart and everything. It's been going sideways for 6 months. Almost. KRTX. I should probably cover a few more here. You swinging? Yeah, I'm gonna swing CCXI. I still think this. I mean, I think it could very easily fade back to 25 over the next few days, and maybe even lower. I mean, like a 300% gap up. You know, it's a big move. Even though the data was good and everything, you know. I mean. What? Why can't I get in? Are you fucking kidding me? An hour wait time. Awesome. Really awesome. Wait, can I get in this way? Let's see here, where are we? Nope. Should probably restart Twitch app also. How do I do that? This way? No, sorry, this way. No. Oh, now it says 24 minutes. Okay, that's a bit better than 61 minutes. Okay, ARWR is building lower highs now. I'm thinking about potentially shorting it. Lavo looks like he wants to go higher. the heck is this? Oh, it's this Twitch app. Why does it look this weird? Huh, interesting. Okay, so CCXI is on the first intraday support. Next support is at 27-ish bucks. Can it get there today? That's the big question. All right. What the heck? 185 minutes? Okay. I think I streamed enough for today. And thank you for joining, everyone. And I will see you guys tomorrow.